Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. If you are a crypto enthusiast, you will be familiar with many crypto sites. But have you ever heard about BisonPet? BisonPet is a novel initial decentralized exchange offering platform enabling crypto startups to raise funds and wide range opportunities to the early investor. A question can arise in your mind that why BisonPet set up on Venus Smart Chain? Well, the launch of the Venus Smart Chain network created an opportunities for more cryptocurrency projects that are exploring alternative blockchains to the Ethereum blockchain. BisonPad did not select the Venus Smart Chain because they like to take the opposite direction to stand out of the crowd. Instead, they selected the Venus Smart Chain to be the primary blockchain network for BisonPad because the network has more of the features they are looking to use to make this project successful. BisonPad has a crypto token like many other cryptocurrency projects and platforms out there. The token was created to transmit 100% of the utilities of the platform to its holders. The ticker or symbol of the BisonPad token is BPET, with a total supply of 99 million BPET tokens. The supply is not only limited but tends to facilitate an increase in the value of the token because limited supply equals more demands. The BisonPad token is a token built on the Venus Smart Chain. As such, it is based on the Venus Smart Chain token standard. The token also has a decimal of 18. Therefore, if you are importing it on third-party digital wallets such as Trust Wallet, you will have to manually enter the decimal to complete the import. Here, you can exchange your Venus coin into BPET. You have to put the amount of token you want to exchange. Let's talk about the tokenomics of BisonPad. The distribution of the token is a very important element to be considered when looking for a crypto assets to invest in. Besides the token distribution or allocation details, the amount of tokens allotted to different sections and persons involved in the development of the project is paramount. You are seeing that 10% of the total token supply has been earmarked for marketing and promoting the project across different platforms. The community, early adopters, and project promoters will receive incentives for a job well done. They will receive 5% of the total BPET token supply. The team will only earn 5% of the total supply after 6 months of the lock with the linear release afterward. The legal team backing the BisonPad project is also set to receive a total supply of 5% of the BPET token allocation. To maintain a balance within the ecosystem, 5% of the BPET token will be in the reserve vault. A total of 15% of the BisonPad token allocation will be sold during the private sale and the initial decentralized exchange offering. A total of 20% of the BisonPad token allocation will be sold during the private sale and the initial decentralized exchange offering. Last but not the least, a total of 35% of the total BPET token allocation will be used for liquidity mining. The distribution of the BisonPad token covers most part of the project interest and would be used to promote what the project does in the long run. If you pass the opportunity, it will be lost for you. Stop waiting and become a part of this successful enterprise. Thank you, everyone.